What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Guy's Garage. We'll put my hat on. It's a little cold though. Alright, so it's been a while. That's because I've been actually in Florida. We're looking around and I don't know, might not be able to make the move this year because prices. I found one apartment that had a garage of $1,700 a month and it was already gone by the time I got back to Michigan, so I don't know. But anyways, I'm out here working on a Civic. I got a new sticker on here. It's my a guy I'm friends on Facebook with. He selling stickers for tires this year for drift events. So I got a new sticker for the car. And I'm working on this whole intercooler kit. And I made a video sitting down unboxing all that stuff. And if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments. Anyways, so this is the situation. This is supposed to be a direct fit. It was beyond far, not even close to a direct fit. So I have this all rigged up. Pretty much I used all the couplers and the clamps that it came with. It was supposed to be for both sides. I used them all on one side. But yeah, so I need a 2 to 3, or maybe it's 2.5 inch to 3 inch coupler for the throttle body. I forgot to say, but I switched out the stock D16 throttle body with a B20. I just did that today. I was just trying to get some stuff done. Also, I put the crank pulley back on, the belt, torqued it and everything. Even put Loctite on it so that fucker won't come off this time. Yeah, so anyways, I was mocking this up, trying to figure stuff out, and like this one's this, you know, turbo to intercooler pipe is completely wrong, so I had to cut that. I just got pieces of cut shit everywhere. I ran it down here. I made this hole a little bit bigger. It looks ugly as fuck now, but whatever, we'll ignore that. But so I got it, this side pretty much ran. It runs to the intercooler and it fits onto this. This one's almost there, but I just gotta cut out a bunch of shit. And yeah, so I was kind of thinking, what would you guys feel about, so I'm not gonna finish this today because I need to order shit anyways. What would you feel about putting like a Subi hood on this, like the cover? And then we run in like a Boosted Boy styles where they put the intercooler up on top of the engine like a Subaru, except for we'll use the hood scoop just like a Subaru. And we could literally mount the thing like, probably have to make some brackets, but we could literally mount it like that, up off the engine obviously. What do you guys feel about that? Because then literally I could just do like, you know, a pipe running from, let's see if I can do this one-handed. So we got it sitting like this, run a pipe. I don't know. It might be kind of difficult, but maybe something kind of cool we can do. So let me know what you guys think about that. And put it down in the comments if I should just do it the traditional way. I'll order more pipes, or order more couplers and clamps. Or if you guys would like to see something a little bit different. Maybe we won't run a hood right away, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think on that. But anyways, all I'm doing to the car is I was driving it a little bit. Checked the throttle body. It still hesitates up high in RPM, so I guess it has to be the O2 sensor that's not hooked up. I was just checking the oil, driving it and stuff. Like I said, I got the alternator belt hooked up, so I let it run for a while, charge the battery, and now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do this, and I haven't figured it out quite yet, but either way, it's working. So, short video, very short video. I clean the yard up. This is just a disaster. We got TVs over there reshot and stuff. But, anyways, let me know what you guys think on how you want to see this build, and then I'll do it that way. And then all you do is order injectors and a chip burner. That way we can put the a bass tune on this car, and then we gotta go, you know, like do exhaust and then wideband so we can see what's going on, boost gauge and oil pressure gauge, and that will be it. But let me know how you guys feel about this car or how this is going and stuff, and hope you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button. I know it was short, it's just an update, but it is starting to get warmer out, so that means more work is going to be coming. And yeah, you guys take it easy.